Hello everyone, I'm Kenny, I'm back again. And sorry I hadn't got any videos up in the last few days, but haven't found anything I really liked. I had a few Shopkins at Walmart, but nothing I really wanted. But today we're going to got these at my work, Thomas Minis. I think they're Series 1. Yeah. Currently, some of them are Series 1 and some of them are Series 2. Got these for 89 cents. Thought it'd be cool to open. 3 Series 2, I think. And 2 Series 1. I could be wrong. I've never opened these before. So, let me show you package. For 89 cents. They seem like it'd be something cool to open. I've really never seen the show. So let's get these open. I've seen other people open them. Here's the checklist. I know it's a big checklist. Here's the ones you can get. Well, some of them upside down. And one's on the back. Again, some of them upside down. See which ones I would like to get. Any of the candy ones would be cool. Ooh, I want the little skull one. You'll probably be hard to see. That's the one I mainly want. So let's see which one we got. Oh! Dots. So we got one of the candy ones. The Tootsie Roll one. That's pretty cool. I didn't think I'd get one of those. Let's see, can I put that down here? And they roll. These are pretty cool. For 89 cents. Might have to buy some more of these on payday. Actually, I might buy more of them tomorrow. And that's Thomas. Alright, first one down. Little trash bag right there. Let's try the next one. Let's see if we can get the skull one. Right in the checklist. Shouldn't be the same. Yeah. Same checklist, so we don't need that. Pretty cool. Really good detail for 89 cents. Then you can connect them. Nuh-uh! Tanner. Like that. Try to get out of shot. Or second one, I didn't look his name up. His name is... Well, they all look the same to me, those. I have to do this one over here. I'm not sure his name. Yep. We won't bother about his name. Okay, I'd like to get a couple more of these. Sugar Daddy would be nice. And of course the skull one would be nice. No, we want the skull one. No clue, but it looks pretty cool. I guess another Thomas one. I'm not sure what's supposed to be on it. I don't see him on the list. Of course, I can never find stuff on the list when I'm looking for it. Oh, there he is. Luke. And we'll add him to the thing. So now we got 3 of them. I have 5 of these. 15 more to go. So far I'm liking these. I need another set to collect. Just a plain green one. I won't even bother looking up his name. And they roll really good. And you can connect them. I have a little tree. And our last one. Okay, I'm still looking forward to getting that skull one. Spooky, actually, any of the spooky ones would be nice. These must be spooky ones. We have these 3 spooky ones, if I can show you. Okay. And our last one. I think that's just a normal Thomas. Yeah, this is the classic ones. I think that's just a normal Thomas. That's pretty cool. 5 of them. Dots has got to be my favorite. He's pretty cool. One of the candy ones. Sugar Daddy would have been nice too. But we can buy more of these. Let me know what y'all think about these. If you'd like me to do some more of them. I wonder if all of them got something written on the bottom. Yeah. And I will try to get some more videos up as soon as I can. And hello to all of my new subscribers. If you have certain toys you'd like me to open, please comment below and let me know. I will try to, if I can find them. Sometimes certain toys are hard to find. And I only have Walmart and Walgreens in Bardstown, Kentucky. So I might have to wait until I go to Louisville. I don't do dolls. I like looking at dolls, but I do not collect dolls. But a couple things to look forward to. Of course, Season 5 Shopkins, I'm going to get more of those. Walking Dead Series 4 Mystery Minis, as soon as I can find them. Five Nights at Freddy's mystery boxes. They had a case of them, but they were sold out by the time I got up there. So thanks for watching. Please like and share this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And again, welcome to all my new subscribers. Bye.